Hi developers, and welcome back to another DIY. In today's video we're making a we can either do a candle holder or we can do a flower vase, but I pick up these beautiful vase from Diddy's. They're $2.99 each. I believe the price was four something. Let's see if I can. I believe it was $4.99. Yeah, it was $4.99, and they marked down to $2.99. Yeah, original $4.99. So as I said before, I can either do a candle holder with them, or we can do a flower vase. So what I'm gonna do, I love the color, but it doesn't go with anything in my DIY. So we're gonna remove these. And I'm gonna spray paint them with the Rust-Oleum image. It says metallic silver, wood, metallic glass. So I'm gonna spray it with this here and see if I get a metallic silver. Oops. Okay, so I'm gonna spray them and then we'll come back and move on. Alrighty guys, so this is how they turn out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some gemstone in them. So I'm gonna put some gemstone in between the grooves. Some side look big and some side look small. So it's gonna look something like this, huh? So this is gonna end up being a flower vase, huh? put some across here. Okay. So I'm gonna finish this off camera. As you see, it's time consuming. So I'm gonna finish the rest of these off camera and then we come back. Alrighty guys, so this is what we look like. Now I'm gonna put this on top. To give it a little height. So we have something looking like this. So I'm gonna look some flowers. So we can get some silver and white to go with it. Now this can use both ways, you know. We can do candle holder on top. And we can do flowers at the bottom. So I'm gonna get some flowers, put them on display, and let's see what we have. Okay. Alrighty guys, so here is my flower vase slash candle holder. So we can either do a flower vase, or we can turn it upside down and we get a candle holder. Alrighty, so this comes to the end of my video. I want you to give me a thumbs up if you're like my Diddy's flower vase slash candle holder. Alrighty, and I also want to welcome all my new subscribers. If you're new here, welcome to the Queen of the Craft Room. Don't forget to turn your notification bell on so each time I upload, you know it. You'll be the first to know. Until I see you in my next video, guys. Ciao.